The matrix LED headlights enable an adaptive driving beam, or ADB. The main beam splits into imperceptible vertical strips, turning off the LEDs that may dazzle other road users. This creates a shadow within the light shining directly on oncoming and preceding vehicles, while casting full light on zones between and beside them. Adaptive driving beam only activates when the vehicle's speed reaches 40 km per hour, and it deactivates when the vehicle's speed slows to 24 km per hour. As the light fades, the daytime running lamps switch off and the dipped beam automatically switches on, enabling adaptive driving beam to operate. Pull and release the lighting control to manually override to dipped beam from ADB. Push and release again to return to ADB. Push and release the lighting control to manually select normal high beam. Push and release again to return to ADB. To disable or re-enable the adaptive driving beam, select Exterior Lighting via the Vehicle Settings menu in the instrument panel. Select Headlights High Beam, followed by Adaptive Driving Beam on or off.